Start.
Okay. So everything else will stay the same. Instead of power supply, we're going to use this Gamry software for LSV. And on the Gamry software, first of all, we need to connect the leads. Green and blue are for working electrode, like the positive electrode. So normally we keep feed side on the positive, right?
Yeah.
So we'll connect like this one and this one to the feed side.
Yeah.
And for the counter electrode, it's the red one and white one.
Okay.
So on the product side, we'll connect like this. On the product side, the red one, and then we'll connect the white one with the red one. And
Okay.
this is the only difference between using power supply and Gamry.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that's first difference. Now when we go to the software to start our experiment, after flowing the solution for let's say 15 minutes, in the feed we are going to use feed and product same solution, 0.5 molar lithium chloride for first. Start with sodium chloride, 0.5 molar sodium chloride for first experiment and 0.5 molar lithium chloride for second. And in electrolyte it's just the 0.1 molar sodium chloride. Once we are done with connecting the leads and flowing the solution for 15 minutes, we need to go to physical electrochemistry. And in physical electrochemistry, we need to find number 6, linear sweep voltammetry. And let's say first experiment I am doing with 0.5 molar, 5 molar. Let's say I'm doing with starting with sodium chloride. So I will rename this file. Everything else will stay the same. And electrode area, it doesn't matter. I don't need to change it. Initial and final voltage are important. So for your experiments, it would be 0 volts to 6 volts.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And the scan rate would be it can be 2 millivolts per second. So it will
Okay.
finish in 3000 seconds.
Okay.
Right. And step size is 1. Step size means it records reading after each scan. So it will give you like for each scan rate, it will give you a data point, something like that. So
Okay.
it's not important. So the main thing is 0 volts to 6 volts doing the experiment name. Maximum current, it's fine. You don't need to change it. Let's see. And everything else you don't need to change it. So
Okay.
the only thing you need to change is the initial voltage,
And the
final
final
voltage,
voltage.
and the file name.
Okay.
Once
Yeah.
you're done with everything, you just need to click OK, and it will start. And it will start giving you a graph
Oh.
of voltage and current. Right now there is nothing, but
Okay.
since it's already forming a circuit,
Uh-huh.
so it's showing something at least.
Okay.
So once it's done, you will start voltage on the x-axis,
Yeah.
current on the y-axis.
And then you just,
It will take 3000 seconds. Once it's finished, it will give it here like curve done, and then you need to
save.
just cross it and click yes. Once it says curve done.
Oh, okay.
And once it has saved the data, you need to so this everything that we did so far is on the Gamry instrument framework software. So you
okay.
can, it's already open, but if you need to find it, just
Okay,
need to
Gamry
write framework and open. So this is where we do the experiments.
Okay.
And once our curve is done, we cross it and it's already saved, and open Echem Analyst.
Oh, okay.
Echem Analyst. And in Echem Analyst, we will open the curve which is recently saved.
Oh,
so
okay.
recently I did, let's say, this LSV.
Okay.
It will ask something or whatever, we need to click yes, and we get this kind of thing.
Oh,
So this
okay.
is the curve we just did, but I'm just showing you the curve I did before this
Okay.
one. So this is what we get. It's voltage from 0 to 6 volts, and we are seeing the current.
Okay.
And once we are here, you can copy this as text, Excel. Where is Excel? You don't have Excel?
I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just, after that, I'll send you the data so that you can just analyze it
I
directly.
think it's yes, or you can send me the files.
Okay,
Yeah,
just the data.
Yeah, but I just want that you also learn that. So
Yeah. You'll have it.
I think we have it, Excel file. Yeah, it might not be here in this laptop, but
Okay.
even if not, like notepad or wordpad.
Mm-hmm.
You can, or anywhere you can copy and paste and send me these two files, or directly these files which I can analyze. So
Okay.
we'll stop it.
That's one of just.
Yeah.